I don't trust them, yeah. You keep an eye at them too. They didn't draw the curtains. I was just walking past and I couldn't help but... She stood at the bed, sucking her own armpit. He spilled out of his underwear and kicked up a leg and took a can of deodorant between his thighs, spraying like a greyhound marking his territory. Water sports gone wrong. Yes, exactly. Teenage feral. And she joined. Of course, what people do in their own time is their own business, but she doesn't act like his mother. Maybe his owner. And he seems so shy on the street. You really think so? No.